Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Pollex Clog by Crocs and American footwear designer Salehe Bembury in the black colorway. It comes in a Salehe Bembury fingerprint branded cardboard box with Crocs logos on its sides. The shoes wrapped in paper with no extra accessories. A different color heel tab would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Salehe Bembury puts his personal imprint, literally pun intended, with his version of the classic clog based on the ripples of his fingerprint. His design slimmed down the overall shape with nods to the Merrell's Hydro mod with that raised heel counter. I like the extra grip milky rubber details at the toe and outsole, not just for aesthetics but added traction, stability and wear. I especially like the branded sports mode strap due to its easily adjustable velcro design for that customized comfort. But it still maintains what makes Crocs popular. It's lightweight, easy to slip on, super comfortable, water friendly and easy to clean. One thing I want to mention is the size in it. If you notice, I went down not one but two sizes down from my US 10 to US 8. I recommend you go down at least a size because they fit big and wide. For me, a US 8 felt more like a US 9.5 men's. These are a 2 pairs minimum, especially in this colorway. I love the futuristic look, like it's melted on your feet. As usual, purchase links will be in the YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment print to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.